Welcome back to Review Mastery. Today I'll dive into the top 5 cargo carriers that truly stand out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money. With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. I'll walk you through the best cargo carriers, covering their key features, performance, durability, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a purchase. After careful research and comparison, I've selected these products because they've proven to be reliable and helpful for people like you. If you want to check the latest price, detailed specifications, or explore exclusive deals, don't forget to visit the links I've added in the description box below. Those resources will save you time, money, and help you make the smartest buying decision. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. We're kicking things off with an excellent start, something that proves great performance doesn't always mean high price. At number 5, CURT Black Steel Basket-Style Cargo Carrier with 2-inch folding shank for SUVs and AMP, trucks 500 pounds capacity. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. The CURT Black Steel Basket-Style Cargo Carrier with 2-inch folding shank is a practical and reliable solution for transporting extra gear on SUVs and trucks, offering up to 500 pounds of cargo capacity for road trips, camping, or daily hauling needs. Its robust steel construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the black powder coat finish provides protection against rust and harsh weather conditions, keeping your carrier looking clean and functional year-round. The basket-style design allows for versatile storage of larger items such as coolers, luggage, or sports equipment, while the folding shank makes it easy to collapse the carrier when not in use, saving space and improving accessibility to your vehicle's rear. On the positive side, this carrier supports heavy loads, is straightforward to install, and is compatible with most 2-inch hitches, making it a flexible option for a variety of vehicles. On the downside, the steel frame adds noticeable weight, which can make handling more cumbersome when loading or unloading, and larger items may need additional tie-downs for secure transport. Despite these minor considerations, the CURT basket-style carrier is a practical choice for anyone who needs extra storage space without compromising safety or convenience. Its combination of strength, versatility, and foldable design makes it ideal for families, adventurers, and anyone who frequently travels with additional cargo. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Stepping up the game, number 4 takes innovation to the next level. Coming in at number 4, we have Wildroad Folding Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier for SUVs and AMP. Cars, includes bag and ratchet straps for 500 pounds capacity, combining advanced design, solid build, and features that make your experience smoother than ever. The Wildroad Folding Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier is a versatile and practical solution for anyone needing extra storage space for SUVs and cars, offering a strong 500 pounds of capacity for road trips, camping, or hauling larger items that do not fit inside your vehicle. Designed with a folding mechanism, this carrier allows you to easily collapse it when not in use, saving space and making storage hassle-free. The carrier comes with a durable bag and ratchet straps, ensuring that your cargo stays secure during transport while protecting it from shifting or damage. Its sturdy construction provides reliability and long-lasting performance, and the universal hitch compatibility makes it suitable for most vehicles with a standard hitch receiver. On the positive side, this cargo carrier is easy to install, folds conveniently, and provides excellent load capacity for heavy items. On the downside, the steel frame adds noticeable weight, which can make lifting and mounting slightly challenging, and very large or irregularly shaped items may require additional tie-downs to ensure safety. Despite these minor considerations, the Wildroad Folding Hitch Mount Carrier is ideal for families, travelers, and adventurers who need extra storage space without compromising convenience or safety. Its combination of strength, foldable design, and included accessories makes it a reliable companion for any journey. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, KAIRAY Heavy-Duty Hitch Cargo Carrier with folding basket and amp, waterproof bag, stabilizer, and accessories for 500 pounds capacity. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. The KAIRAY Heavy-Duty Hitch Cargo Carrier is an ideal solution for anyone looking to expand their vehicle's storage capacity while keeping convenience and safety in mind. Designed for SUVs, trucks, and most vehicles with a standard hitch receiver, this carrier supports up to 500 pounds, making it perfect for road trips, camping gear, luggage, or bulky items that do not fit inside your vehicle. Its folding basket design allows for easy storage when not in use, while the included waterproof bag protects items from rain, dust, and dirt. The stabilizer and accessories help secure the load and reduce wobbling during transport, providing peace of mind on long drives. On the plus side, this cargo carrier is durable, versatile, and easy to fold and store, and it comes with thoughtful accessories to make loading and securing items simple. On the downside, the steel frame is somewhat heavy, which may require 2 people for easier mounting, and extremely large or irregularly shaped items may need extra tie-downs for complete security. Despite these considerations, the KAIRAY carrier offers excellent value for families, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need dependable cargo space without sacrificing convenience. Its combination of strength, foldable design, waterproof protection, and stabilizing features makes it a reliable choice for everyday use and adventurous journeys. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a serious contender for number 1. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, MIFAR Heavy-Duty Folding Cargo Carrier with waterproof storage bag for 500 pounds capacity and amp, hitch stabilizer. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. The MIFAR Heavy-Duty Folding Cargo Carrier is the perfect solution for anyone looking to expand their vehicle's storage capacity without compromising convenience or safety. Designed for SUVs, trucks, and most vehicles with a standard hitch receiver, this carrier supports up to 500 pounds, making it ideal for road trips, camping gear, sports equipment, or any bulky items that do not fit inside your car. Its folding basket design allows for easy storage when not in use, while the included waterproof storage bag keeps belongings protected from rain, dust, and dirt. The hitch stabilizer adds extra security and reduces wobbling during transport, ensuring a smoother and safer drive. Among the key advantages are its robust construction, versatility, and the ability to fold flat for compact storage, along with thoughtful accessories that make loading and securing items simple and efficient. On the other hand, the carrier's steel frame is relatively heavy, which may require 2 people to mount it easily, and very large or irregularly shaped items may need additional tie-downs to keep them stable. Despite these minor considerations, the MIFAR carrier provides exceptional value for travelers, families, and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable and durable cargo solution. Its combination of strength, foldability, waterproof protection, and stability features makes it a trustworthy choice for everyday use and extended adventures. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for, the absolute best of the best. At number 1, Mokins Heavy-Duty Folding Cargo Carrier for SUV and amp, truck, includes waterproof storage bag, 500 pounds capacity steel rack. This one redefines what performance really means: unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. The Mokins Heavy-Duty Folding Cargo Carrier is an excellent choice for anyone looking to increase their vehicle's storage capacity while keeping items secure and protected. Designed to fit most SUVs and trucks, this steel rack supports up to 500 pounds, making it perfect for road trips, camping gear, sports equipment, or extra luggage when traveling with family and friends. Its folding design allows for easy storage when not in use, while the included waterproof storage bag protects your belongings from rain, dust, and dirt, ensuring they stay clean and dry during every journey. The sturdy steel construction provides long-lasting durability and reliable support, and the open basket design allows for quick loading and unloading of items. Among the key advantages are its versatility, foldability, and simple installation, which makes it convenient for everyday use and occasional adventures alike. On the downside, the carrier's weight may require 2 people to mount it safely, and very large or unevenly shaped items may need extra straps for stability. Despite these minor considerations, the Mokins cargo carrier offers outstanding value for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts who want a dependable, high-capacity solution for carrying extra cargo. Its combination of strength, foldable design, and waterproof protection ensures peace of mind on every trip. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.